Blower motor troubleshooting requires a clear step-by-step approach that isolates electrical, mechanical, and control issues quickly. Start by verifying power at the blower motor using a multimeter set to measure alternating current and confirm voltage matches the motor nameplate. Then check the capacitor for proper microfarad rating with a capacitance meter and replace if readings deviate more than 10%. Inspect the blower wheel for debris, bent fins, or rubbing that will cause noise and reduced airflow, and carefully remove and clean with a soft brush while supporting the wheel to avoid bending. Test the blower motor windings for continuity and for insulation breakdown using a megohmmeter if available, and compare readings to the manufacturer specifications to determine if rewind or replacement is required. When the motor is controlled by an electronic control module, consult the module diagnostic LED patterns or fault codes and recreate the failure with known good inputs to confirm whether the module or the motor is at fault. Pay attention to shaft play and bearing noise by spinning the shaft by hand. Any roughness or axial movement beyond manufacturer limits indicates bearing failure and means the motor should be replaced. Use basic safety practices, isolate all power, tag out the system, discharge capacitors before handling, and wear eye protection and gloves. 3 common mistakes are assuming a noisy blower equals motor failure when often the wheel is imbalanced or rubbing. Spin and inspect the wheel first and true, or replace it if needed. Another frequent error is replacing the motor without checking the control signals, which wastes time and money. Record the control voltages or pulse width modulation signals, and verify the module is sending correct commands before swapping the motor. A third issue is misdiagnosing intermittent runs as random when loose wiring or poor terminal connections are the culprit. Perform a wiggle test on wiring under power and tighten or re-terminate connections, and then recheck system operation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by making it easy to post projects and respond to leads. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and technicians exchange tips, ask questions, and share resources like manufacturer wiring diagrams and video tutorials.